Hey you guys, today we're gonna make a gift basket. Now I got this gift basket from the Dollar Tree and it's gonna be for my sister. So the first thing I'm adding is a styrofoam just at the bottom of the basket to keep everything nice and sturdy. Like always, I add styrofoam. I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful scarf that I picked up from the dollar store. And it's just a fashion scarf. And I thought that the pineapples and the pink would be really nice to go with this, especially because summer's coming. The next thing that I'll be adding, I'm going to add a ton of stuff, let me tell you, is this Ray Dunn planner. So it's just a 2020, that's what it says. And it's a planner and it's so cute. It has the calendar, it has notes, it has a little bit of everything. And I picked this up at TJ Maxx and it was $4.50. So I got it on sale. So yay. I can't wait till she sees it. She's going to love it. I'm gonna pick up a ton of little crafting stuff because that's what she's into right now. So let's go ahead and make this like a birthday craft basket, something like that, like an arts and craft basket. So that's what I'm aiming for. I'm just going to remove the sticker because I don't want it to show. So just go ahead and remove the whole thing. And I'm going to add this all the way in the back. I'm just going to add it in the back as the main focus for now until I start adding other things. The next thing I'm adding is this 300 count of planter stickers. So this is for the planner. So she can add the stickers and I love the coffee ones. They are my favorite. They have the little glasses on there. And these are so cute. And let me tell you, this is from the arts and crafts section at the Dollar Tree, which I am loving lately. They have a ton of goodies there. The next thing I'm adding is this organizer case. I thought it would be good so she could put all her little crafts and beads in there and stickers and anything she wants to add to that. I think you should have a little case like that. And that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I also picked up this craft square from the craft section as well. And it's just a smaller little box to add a ton of little goodies in there. I thought that would be perfect as well. And that is from the craft section at the dollar store as well. Now, if something doesn't make it into the basket, it's okay. The next thing I'm adding is this Follow Your Heart notebook, and I wanted to match it with this gel pen that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I thought that would go perfect because you gotta have a notebook in there and a pen to write everything down, you know. So I thought the little donut pen was adorable and it matched very well with the notebook. And I picked that up from the dollar store. The next thing I picked up are these 72 adhesive dots that I thought would be perfect to use. I also picked up the 20 pieces of dots fastener. So these are great for like gift cards if you're going to make money holders. That's perfect. And that's all from the craft section as well. I picked up this 528 pop-up dots. Those are great for cards if you're making cards and you want something to pop like a little heart. And they have a ton of them. Let me tell you, you get like 2 sheets in there packed. I also picked up this 4-piece mini glass containers, which you know I love. I picked up this chalkboard tag and you get 4 pieces and it's the heart shape. So I thought that would be perfect. I picked up the chalkboard tags, just the regular tags, and you get 6 of them in there. And to go with that, I picked up the chalk writer. So this is perfect because the tags, you can write on them with a chalk pen. So I found that chalk pen at the Dollar Tree, which I was shocked. And I'm happy I picked it up because it goes perfect with everything. I made this little money holder that says happy birthday and it just has a little pink bow on there and I made it. So I'm so proud of it. It came out really pretty. I'm going to add a couple of dollars in there just so she could go shopping since it is her birthday. She could go get herself something really cute. And look at how it holds the money. And I love the fact that it says happy birthday in big writing. That actually makes the basket look really cute. So I'm just going to add that right in the middle. So she sees, the first thing she sees is the money. That's exactly. Now I still have a couple more goodies. So we're going to see if we can move it around. And these are just little beads that I thought were perfect. And you get a ton of them. And I picked that up at Michael's for $5. I used my 50% off coupon and I end up getting them for $5. So all I'm removing is the box and I'm gonna add it in its place. I just could not add the box. I tried every way I could, you guys, to add the box and it just would not work. So I had to leave it out. But don't worry, we'll add it to someone else's gift basket. If something does not fit, don't make it fit. Just leave it out. It's just better that way. So all I'm going to do is add the chalk pen all the way in the back. I'm going to leave the box out and we're going to continue without it. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that everything is arranged just how I like it. I'm going to move the stickers a little bit more to the side just to cover the right side of the basket so it won't look too empty. But I end up shoving the beads in there in the back. So this is a cute little basket that is just a little crafter basket, and I thought it was really cute to pick up a ton of different little goodies that I could add in there for her to craft, to make some new stuff. And I know that she is going to love it. But yeah, all I'm going to do is move stuff around and just make it work. I was trying to add the box, but unfortunately, I could not add the box any way I moved stuff around. I just had to leave it out and I end up leaving it out. I added that box to somebody else's gift and it was okay. You know, sometimes stuff does not make it in the basket and that's okay. You can only add so much anyways to these little baskets, and the basket is from the dollar store. And it actually came out very well. The next thing I'm adding is this TJ Maxx Marshall Home Goods gift card, which I know anybody would love. So I'm going to add the little gift card in there so she can do a little bit of shopping. I thought that was perfect because all those three stores have crafting sections and you can also buy decorations for your home. So all I'm doing is adding it on the side where I took off the tray, just to make up the fact that it's a little bit dead on that side. So go ahead and glue it down with a skewer stick and then add it into your basket. And it looks gorgeous. Let me tell you, it made the whole basket just come together. All I'm doing is moving stuff around and making it work. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram just so you get all the latest tips and tricks and stores that I go to, and you get all the sales and the discounts right on time. I'll link the link down below. Now that we're ready, look at how gorgeous it is. I hope she likes it. I put a lot of thought into it and I picked up some of the cutest stuff that I thought she would love for her craft section, for her planner. And I put a lot of thought into it. So I hope she really likes it. And since I know my sister, I know she will. The next step to this is to grab some ribbon, grab a couple of bags because I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Now these bags I pick up at the dollar store. You get 2 of them for $1. So all we're going to do is grab your basket gently. Don't want anything moving after you work so hard to put it together. Grab some tape because you know you're going to need it. Grab a pair of scissors and your favorite ribbon. Now slowly pick the bag up. You're going to grab tape and all you're going to do is tape the edges down to the back of the basket just so it looks a little more fitted and a little more clean. So you see how I'm grabbing the tape at the end, and all I'm going to do is pull the bag up and tape it to the back. And look at how it looks really, really nice. It gives it that final detail where it makes your basket look like you brought it. And it's that simple. And look at how gorgeous it's already looking. The next step is to make sure you have everything exactly how you like it. Push things around before you close it. Make it your own. And grab your ribbon. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this ribbon. It's a satin ribbon from the dollar store. And it's just like a little rose gold champagne color. All I'm going to do is measure it as always. I think I do 13 inches. Cut it down and I'm ready to make my bow. Bring your bag towards you. Crunch it all the way at the top, but not too tight, just enough where it looks really nice and fitted. Grab your ribbon and you're going to go ahead and tie it together and make a bow. And it's going to hold very well. Once you tied it, go ahead and make your bow. It's super easy. I always show you guys how to make them. And let the bottom piece hang and look at how gorgeous it looks. This is a great gift for anyone who loves arts and crafts. Let me tell you, this is the best. All I'm going to do is grab the top and cut a third off like always, because I hate it when the top of it weighs on the basket. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart so it looks very cute. And look at how cute that looks. Adorable. Now that's one of my tips. I cut the top off because I don't want it to hang. The top will make it heavy and make the basket hang and it'll just look flimsy. So here's a final look and I hope you guys like it. I hope you make your own. And look at how cute it is. Any crafter will love it. And until next time, bye you guys.